Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Allied Universal EHUB login page. You can find this by searching Allied Universal EHUB or going directly to the official portal. Make sure you're on the secure website before entering any credentials. Step 2. Once you're on the login page, you'll see two input fields. Enter your employee username or email address in the first field. This is typically the username assigned to you by your company or the email address registered with Allied Universal. Step 3. Click in the password field and enter your password carefully. If you haven't set up your password yet or forgot it, look for the Forgot Password link below the Login button. Step 4. Before clicking Login, take a moment to verify you've entered both your username and password correctly. Check for any typos or extra spaces that might cause login errors. Step 5. Click the Login button and wait for the system to authenticate your credentials. Once verified, you'll be directed to your EHUB dashboard where you can access schedules, time card information, and company communications. If you encounter any issues, contact your Allied Universal HR department for support.